Welcome back to Dwayne's Simple Good Health. I will never skip these 3 foods again after trying them. This is gonna blow your mind and your energy levels quickly. Stick around for the easiest swap you can make today. First up, leafy greens, spinach, kale, vitamins, fiber, nitrates. They boost blood flow and energy. Toss a handful into your morning smoothie or scramble and you're winning. Number 2, fatty fish, salmon, sardines. Omega-3s cut inflammation and sharpen memory. 2 servings a week improve mood and heart health. Grill it, bake it, toss in a salad. Third, fermented foods, yogurt, kefir, kimchi. They feed your gut microbiome, digestion, immunity, sleep. Start small, a spoonful of kefir, a few bites of kimchi daily. Quick wins. Swap chips for roasted chickpeas. Add a spinach scoop to your smoothie. Choose salmon for one dinner this week. Try one swap today and tell me which. Comment below. Like and subscribe for more tiny habits with big results. Thanks for watching.